Most people start their day in chaos, hitting snooze, rushing, reacting, but the 1%? They start at 5 a.m. before the world begins to move. At 5 a.m., the world is silent. No distractions, no notifications, just you, your thoughts, and an opportunity to take control. This is the hour of power, the hour where dreams are mapped, goals are written, and minds are trained. Millionaires don't just wake up early, they wake up with intention. They read to feed their mind. They exercise to sharpen their body. They write, reflect, and plan like their future depends on it, because it does. The 5 a.m. routine isn't about being a morning person. It's about creating space for clarity, while the rest of the world is asleep in distraction. At 5 a.m., there are no opinions, no judgments, just momentum. You start your day by leading it, not chasing it. You rise with purpose. You move with direction. This is what separates the top 1% from the rest. Discipline, intent, ownership. So set the alarm. Wake up when it's hard, because comfort never built greatness. Rise early, build silently, and let your results make the noise. The hustle flame.